Have you ever wondered what happens when a CEO finds themselves in legal trouble? Well, let's take a look at the case of John Karony, the CEO of the bankrupt crypto firm Safemoon. They've seen currently facing criminal charges for conspiracy to commit wire fraud, money laundering, and securities fraud in the U.S. Karony's legal defense had recently hit a snag when his attorneys decided to withdraw from the case. Petrillo, Klein & Boxer, his lawyers, filed a motion to withdraw, citing his lack of funds to pay for private counsel. This wasn't the first time they made this request, as they had previously filed a motion in January 2024 for the observing rule encouraged then. In the recent filing, Karony's lawyers emphasized that he had obtained another counsel through the Criminal Justice Act. However, Judge Eric Comedy had stated that non-payment of legal fees wasn't a sufficient basis for an attorney's withdrawal.
He did mention that the court would likely grant the motion if Karony's lawyers could find him another counsel through the most criminal justice act.
So what led to Karony's inability to pay his legal fees? Well, his lawyers revealed that Safemoon had agreed to cover his legal fees. Unfortunately, the crypto firm was to deliver on its promises and eventually filed for bankruptcy. To make matters worse, the government had seized proceeds from the sales of Karony's house in Utah, making it even harder for him to pay his legal fees. With no means to pay, Petrillo, Klein & Boxer had no choice but to withdraw their representation of Karony. However, before parting ways, they were able to secure his bail. He was released on a $3 million bond and ordered to live at his parents' home in Utah. The bail conditions included cyber and electronic monitoring, as well as a ban on Karony's crypto promotional activities. Interestingly, prosecutors had initially blocked Karony's release, arguing that he posed a flight risk and had the financial means to jump bail. They also claimed that his release posed a danger to the community. However, this time they seemed content with the bail conditions set by a magistrate, Judge Taryn Merkel. In the end, Karony's legal troubles have left him in a precarious situation. He's now without legal representation and facing serious charges. Let's hope he can navigate these challenges and find a way forward. And remember, folks, when it comes to legal troubles, it's always important to have a good lawyer by your side. After all, they say, why don't lawyers go to the beach? Because cats keep trying to bury them in the sand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,